Hi guys, good morning and also good afternoon all over the world. Hello guys, I'm here right now at the Albuquerque, Bohol. So I'm going to show you the property, house and lot for sale. This is along the main road highway. So this is the main gate, as you can see guys, and also this is the driveway going to the parking area. There is a garage there, and also this is the lawn. So by the way, this property guys is containing the lot area of 2036 square meter, and as you can see, this is a Makupa fruit, and there is a miracle fruit there. Look at that. That one, the green, this one is a miracle fruit. So by the way, the entire property is already fully fenced. It's like 6 meter height, and also this one is a coconut tree, and there is another fruit there. This one is bougainvillea. Right, another coconut, and also this one. There's a lot of bougainvillea. All right, so go back here. There is it's like a fountain, and this is the property. Look at the property. And right here is the moringa. So this moringa is a lot of health benefits. And also here there is a lot of banana. So I'll show you the 360 degrees of the property. So there is also the backup water tank, and also right there is a deep well, so no problem about the water source. You have a deep well water source. Right there is a water pump, and also the pressure. And look at that, there is a banana. There's a lot of banana here at the back. So this is your garden area, and here is another storage area. This is the back side of the property. This is the water, guys. Look at that, very strong water, very strong. And this side is the storage, and this is the outdoor toilet, and this is the dirty kitchen, and that is the parking area, that side. So by the way, this property is only a bungalow with 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath, plus 1 toilet from the outside. So this is the property. This area, the tent can accommodate 2 cars, and you have the big space. Even 10 cars can accommodate this area. So this is the property. So by the way, the property also have a CCTV, Wi-Fi, water, and also the electricity is already in the area. So the only thing of this property is you need light, call this one modification or renovation. So this is the property. This is only a bungalow, guys, but the structure is very strong. And you have the big lot area, 2036 square meter. You have the lawn, you have the garden area at the back, and here the main gate is going there, and here cemented. If you have visitor, you can park this area, and you have a covered tent parking area. And right there you have the barbecue area, the dirty kitchen area. So nice. So by the way, this house is only a bonus. The price of the property is only the value of the land, but the house is only a bonus. So if you are looking a property along the main highway and also close to Tagbilaran City, you can consider this one. This is a bigger lot, 2036 square meter. So if you are interested about this property, guys, you can consider this property. So don't hesitate to message me. By the way, guys, if you have any questions, you can send a message to my email and also my WhatsApp. I am very happy to assist you guys. My name is Rolando Uyangorin from Bachelor's Realty. I am your trusted property specialist. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.